Greetings and salutations, Giraffe Rider here. Let's talk Tru-Tensions Motorcycle Chain Monkey. So this is a tool to check the tension of your motorcycle chain. It says back here, perfect chain tension will improve performance, prolong sprocket life, increase chain life, optimize power delivery, provide a smoother ride. So earlier this year, I did a video about cleaning your motorcycle chain. You can see that video here. I'm a firm believer that every time you clean your motorcycle chain, you should check the tension of your chain as well. While you're at it, why not? So I bought this tool a little while ago and I haven't unboxed it yet. I was waiting to do a video and let's see how it works together. Some motorcycles require the removal of the exhaust before the rear axle can be loosened. I've loosened the exhaust clamp and am taking off the rear pillion foot pegs. Now the exhaust can come off, both sides. According to the instructions, my first step is to determine my chain size. I did that by taking an adjustable wrench and put it on the chain. Tighten the wrench till it's snug, and when you pull it off, you can see the size. Mine is 14 millimeters. I go back to the instructions and I see that if the chain is between 14 and 17 millimeters, I follow this side of the chart. In the owner's manual for the Bonneville, I need between 20 and 30 millimeters of slack. According to the Chain Monkey chart, I'm going to set the tool right between the 0 and the 1 marking. The instructions show that the black cover needs to be off the domed nut. I am then setting the bottom of the nut between 0 and 1. This rubber washer is also a guide. As I'm twisting the knob, it's providing some tension. When I have the nut and washer in the correct location, I back the nut down. Place it on the chain. And tighten until the rubber washer touches the bottom of the tool. That should be the proper amount of slack. I then adjust the chain tension till snug. I make note of the marking and adjust the far side to be the same. This should align the rear wheel to run straight, but you can check alignment as well. I back off the nut again to remove the chain monkey, and that's it. You can put the plastic cap back on for storage. Then I need to tighten the rear axle to the proper torque setting. And finally, reinstall the exhaust and the rear pillion foot pegs if required. That's it. Honestly, I can't believe how simple of a task that truly was. Now, don't get me wrong, checking the tension of your motorcycle chain is not that hard to begin with, but normally there's a few extra steps involved, and the Tru-Tensions Chain Monkey simplifies that down to one step. So as I mentioned earlier, as you're cleaning your motorcycle chain, just throw that Chain Monkey on, check if any adjustments need to be made, and it's as simple as that. Well, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.